What's up, guys? For today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Colorado Z71. So the Colorado comes with two available engines, the 2.5-liter four-cylinder that makes 200 horsepower and 191 pound-feet of torque, and can tow up to 3,500 pounds and do 20 in the city and 26 on the highway. And a 3.6-liter V6 that makes 308 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque, which can tow up to 7,000 pounds and do 19 in the city and 26 on the highway. So on the driver door, you have the window control. All four windows are fully automatic. Right behind it, you have the children lock and window lock. You also have the mirror controls. You have the lock and unlock with the door handle. You also have a small storage down there, along with the bottle holder. And on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have the light controls with fog lights. And on the steering wheel, you get a leather-wrapped 4-spoke steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you have your cruise control. On the right-hand side, you have your controls for the infotainment system and voice commands.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call followed by the number, like this. Call 555. Speech session ended. Goodbye.
And behind the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you have your turning signals. And on the right-hand side, you have your windshield wiper control. And on the screen, you have your speed with mileage. You have trip A, B, fuel range, fuel economy, oil life, tire pressure, oil pressure, transmission fluid, and blank page. You also have your audio, phone, navigation. In options, you have your units, information page, speed warning, and on the center console you have your 8-inch color display. Right below you have the radio controls, climate control. You also have the tow mode, traction control, hazard, cargo light, and low speed cruise control. You also have heated seats for front and passenger. You also have a USB, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet. You also have a 8-speed automatic transmission with backup camera, 2 cup holders, phone storage, and you have one more USB. And on the screen you have your audio with Sirius XM. You have your phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar navigation, settings, you have time and date, rear seat reminder, language, valet mode, teen driver, you can view report cards, manage settings. You also have radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, display, rear camera, return to factory settings, software information, and Wi-Fi. You also have text.
OnStar ready. Thank you. Goodbye.
Camera. And shop. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $31,590. They added the leather, the 3.6 V6 engine, and the 8-speed automatic transmission, which all comes up to $34,885. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings. And fuel economy. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.